Apreciados estudiantes, espero que todos ustedes se encuentren bien. Aquí está el señor Incusto. Nueva semana, nueva lección. Perfecto. Felicitaciones a todos ustedes por completar la primera prueba de nuestra escuela a distancia. Todos ustedes más o menos salieron muy bien. Senor Incuso here, hoping all of you guys are doing well. A new week, a new lesson. Perfecto. And congratulations to all of you out there for completing that very first quiz in our distance learning, the Google form. Generally, you guys did really well, especially in kind of a new environment. So as you guys know, it's not really possible in remote learning to do the kinds of quizzes that we were doing before our break, right? So most of our quizzes down the road will follow that very same format, in which you guys are basically working from written responses that you completed from homework, for homework, and then adapting those written responses to a multiple choice environment. That's what we're going to have to learn how to do in our new mode of distance learning. Aquí está un formulario de Google, otro formulario. Es una tarea, learning opportunity, perfecto, no es una prueba. Perfecto. So here's a post that I sent to you on or around, I should say, Friday, en mi dormitorio. ¿Todos ustedes recuerdan la casa y el dormitorio? This is a vocabulary activity about your dormitorio, your room. Perfecto. And all of you remember how we studied the home and how you guys gave those great Google Slides presentations in class in which you talked about your home. Perfecto. So what's really key is that you use the copy of wordreference.com, the online dictionary that I attached to my post, and you look up these vocabulary items. Perfecto. Por ejemplo, el peluche. El peluche, busquen por favor la palabra en el diccionario wordreference.com. Seleccionen por favor la definición correcta. And if you haven't done this already, you use the online dictionary to look up our vocabulary item. In the case of the first question, perfecto, it's el peluche. And if you selected stuffed animal, you knew what you were doing, perfecto. Go through all of these, perfecto. Look for the definitions, and based on the definitions, choose or select the vocabulary item here, perfecto, the definition, I should say, the definition that best suits the noun in Spanish. Muy bien. Después de completar el otro formulario de Google, ustedes pueden completar este formulario. Perfecto. So the Google form we just saw, that's due on or about Thursday. Many of you have already completed it. If you haven't done so already, do so. It doesn't take that long. After you've completed the previous Google form, then you'll find in today's post this additional Google form that takes us a step further. Así que en este formulario ustedes necesitan seleccionar, perfecto, seleccionar las cosas que tú tienes en tu dormitorio. Hay una lista de más o menos, no sé, 14, 15 cosas ustedes pueden ver. Peluche, peluches, trofeo, trofeos, equipo de sonido, más o menos 14 o 15 15 cosas, ustedes necesitan seleccionar las cosas que tú tienes en tu propio dormitorio. So in this Google form, instead of multiple choice, the format or the mode is check boxes. You guys are going to go through this list of vocabulary that you should have already looked up in the previous Google form. You're going to go through this list of vocabulary and check off the items that you have. Perfecto. And even though it might seem a little mechanical, here's the same list, and you guys are going to check off the items you don't have. Perfecto. Una cosa es que al final de la lista hay unas palabras que ustedes a lo mejor reconocen. Si no las reconocen, entonces búsquenlas por favor en el diccionario de wordreference.com. So there are a few additional vocabulary items here at the end of this list that were not on the previous Google form. Closet, lámpara, televisor. If you're uncertain about those vocabulary items, you can look up those also in Word Reference, just wordreference.com. Just go through and check off the items that are in your room. Si ustedes tienen bastante tiempo y quieren comunicarse conmigo, entonces mándenme por favor un correo electrónico en el cual me dicen si entienden o pueden usar Flipgrid, ¿sí? El recurso que se llama Flipgrid. So we're working our way toward a brief video segment in Flipgrid. If you guys have the time, send me a quick email. Doesn't take very long. Send me a quick email. Tell me whether you guys know how to use Flipgrid. Señor Incuso, I know Flipgrid. I'm using it in my other classes because what we would like to do, at least next week, if not this week, is give you guys a link that you can use to get into our Spanish class within Flipgrid and create a little video based on this vocabulary. Perfecto. Es todo para esta semana. Perfecto. 2 formularios de Google. Ustedes pueden enviarme un correo electrónico y es todo. Les voy a mandar otros recursos y otra tarea a lo mejor el jueves. So this Google form, like the one I sent you guys on Friday, is due roughly around Thursday. Please finish these for me as quickly as you possibly can. They don't take a lot of time. Perfecto. And then later in the week, we'll come up with an additional assignment, maybe a paragraph that you guys write about your room, and give me some idea of whether you're comfortable with Flipgrid. Perfecto. Es todo. Señor Incuso les dice a ustedes, cuídense, lávense las manos y nos vemos a lo mejor el miércoles o el jueves. Take care of yourselves. Wash hands. We'll see each other on Wednesday or Thursday. Ciao.